You're uploading YouTube videos wrong. Don't upload another video until you understand the aspects in this video. What's up everybody, it's your boy Jay here. Listen, we all know starting a YouTube channel is like trying to win the lottery, right? You pour your heart and soul into making awesome videos, hit that upload button and crickets. 0 views. It's happened to the best of us. But what if I told you there's a secret code to crack the YouTube algorithm? That most new YouTubers are making tiny mistakes that are absolutely killing their views. First off, thumbnails and titles. If your thumbnail is boring or your title isn't catchy, no one's clicking. Make sure your thumbnails are eye-catching and your titles have strong keywords. Next, descriptions and tags. Skipping these is a rookie mistake. Fill out your descriptions with relevant information and use tags to help YouTube understand your content. Also, don't rely on auto-generated thumbnails. Always upload a custom one. Finally, pay attention to your analytics. They tell you what's working and what's not. Use this data to tweak your strategy and keep improving. Follow these tips and you'll be on your way to YouTube success. Alright, picture this. You spend hours, maybe even days, crafting the perfect video. You're hyped, you hit upload, and you're thinking, this is it, this is the one, I'm about to blow up. But then, nothing. Days go by, maybe even weeks, and your view count is stuck in the single digits. Sound familiar? It's like you poured your heart into a video that YouTube just decided to bury in a secret vault never to be seen again. Well, I'm here to tell you, there's a reason that's happening, and it's probably not what you think. Next, one common mistake is not optimizing your video title. Your title needs to be catchy and include keywords that people are searching for. Another biggie is the thumbnail. A compelling thumbnail can make or break your video's click-through rate. Make sure it's eye-catching and relevant. Don't forget the description and tags. These help YouTube understand what your video is about and who to show it to. Lastly, promote your video. Share it on social media, embed it in blog posts, and engage with your audience to boost visibility. Follow these tips and you'll see a significant improvement in your views. Happy uploading. Next, see, YouTube's not your enemy. Exactly. They want people to watch your videos, that's how they make money. But here's the thing, they're drowning in content. Millions of hours of video get uploaded every single day. So how do they decide which videos to show to the world and which ones to send to the digital graveyard? That's where the algorithm comes in. This mysterious force is like the gatekeeper of YouTube's success, and it's got a super strict bouncer at the door. And that bouncer? It only cares about one thing, keeping people glued to their screens. The algorithm evaluates several factors to decide which videos to promote. Watch time is crucial. The longer people watch your videos, the better. Engagement metrics like likes, comments, and shares also play a big role. Videos that get shared and have high click-through rates are favored. Even your video titles, descriptions, and tags matter. Audience retention is key. If viewers drop off early, your video might get buried. So to avoid the digital graveyard, focus on creating engaging content that keeps viewers watching and interacting. Master these elements and you'll have a better chance of your videos being seen by the world. Next, the longer viewers watch your videos, the more YouTube thinks your content is fire. And if they think your content is fire, they'll show it to more people. It's that simple. But here's the catch, most new YouTubers completely miss the mark on this. They focus on all the wrong things, fancy cameras, expensive editing software, trying to be the next big thing. But none of that matters if people are clicking away from your videos after the first few seconds. So, how do you keep viewers engaged? Start with a strong hook. Grab their attention in the first 10 seconds. Engage with your audience. Ask questions, encourage comments, and make them feel involved. Use storytelling techniques. Create suspense, build a narrative, and keep them wanting more. And always analyze your performance. Look at your retention graphs and adjust your content strategy accordingly. Master these tips, and you'll see your watch time soar, making the YouTube algorithm work in your favor. Next, how do you keep those viewers hooked? How do you convince that algorithm bouncer to let your video into the YouTube party? Well, you gotta play by the rules. And that's what I'm gonna break down for you right now. We're talking about the top 5 upload mistakes that are absolutely tanking your watch time, and more importantly, how to fix them. We're going deep on titles that grab attention like a shark in a swimming pool, thumbnails that make people stop scrolling like they just saw a unicorn, and intros that are so captivating viewers forget they even clicked on the video in the first place. Mistake number 1. Poor video titles. Your title is the first thing viewers see, so make it compelling. Use keywords that people are searching for and make it intriguing. Mistake number 2. Unattractive thumbnails. Your thumbnail should be eye-catching and relevant to your content. Use bright colors, clear images, and text that stands out. Mistake number 3. Weak intros. Your intro should hook viewers within the first few seconds. Start with a question, a bold statement, or a quick preview of what's to come. Mistake number 4, long-winded content. Get to the point quickly and keep your content engaging. Edit out any fluff and make sure every second counts. Mistake number 5, ignoring analytics. Use YouTube analytics to understand what's working and what's not. Look at your audience retention, click-through rate, and other metrics to improve your future videos. By avoiding these common mistakes and implementing these tips, you'll see a significant boost in your watch time. So get out there and start creating content that keeps viewers coming back for more. Next, we're talking about keywords, tags, descriptions, all that behind-the-scenes stuff that most people treat like an afterthought. But let me tell you, this is where the magic really happens. This is how you tell YouTube exactly what your video is about and who needs to see it. Get this right, and you're not just throwing your video into the void and hoping for the best. You're putting it right in front of the people who are already searching for it. And the best part? This isn't some complicated algorithm voodoo. This is straight-up YouTube SEO, and I'm going to break it down step by step so you can master it, even if you don't know a thing about SEO. First, start with keyword research. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner or TubeBuddy to find relevant keywords for your content. Once you have your keywords, integrate them naturally into your video title, description, and tags. Make sure your description is detailed and includes your main keywords within the first few sentences. For tags, use a mix of broad and specific keywords to cover all possible search queries. By optimizing these elements, you're signaling to YouTube's algorithm exactly what your video is about. This increases the chances of your video being recommended to the right audience. Follow these steps, and you'll see a significant boost in your video's performance. Boom! Now you know how to upload the right way, but if you really want to grow, you need to know how to get views fast. Next, we're talking next-level strategies that separate the pros from the amateurs. First, focus on creating compelling thumbnails and titles. They are the first things viewers see, so make them irresistible. Next, engage with your audience. Respond to comments, ask questions, and create a community around your content. Hit that like button if this helped you, and comment below. What's your biggest struggle with YouTube right now? Let me know in the comments, and I might just cover it in my next video. And don't forget, subscribe, because in the next video, I'm revealing the top 3 growth hacks YouTube's biggest creators don't want you to know. These are the secrets that'll take your channel from zero to hero, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out.